Scorpio Nations! Welcome back again to my channel and welcome back to your reading. Hope you guys are doing great today wherever you are in the world. Thank you for supporting to my channel and thanks as well for joining me here, especially to all my soul family and soul tribes. You are all highly appreciated. If you're new here, welcome. Cross watchers are also welcome. This is not your personal reading, guys, so please don't manifest the energy of others. And I am reading with Scorpio who is on the right path. This is not for all Scorpios. And if the energy will not happen to you, it could also be happen to the people around you. In your family, in your workplace, in your friend circle, your partner, your ex, or in the community. For instance, your neighbors or in the society where you belong. So please, use your own discernment. I know that you are one of the most intuitive sign in the zodiac. Universal energy for the star sign of Scorpio. Give me that accurate and clear reading, please. The past, the present, the future. And the outcome of this reading. About love, money, career, business, and studies. Divine angels, divine spirits, spiritual animals, divine ancestors. Show me the cards what I need to see for the star sign of Scorpio. Sun, moon, rising, and Venus. Before I forgot, I would like to greet you all a happy birthday to all my fellow Scorpio. I hope you're doing great and you are celebrating your special day with your loved ones. Show me the cards what I need to see, please. This is your reading during Mercury retrograde, which is happening now until the 29th of this month. Show me the cards what I need to see, please. Whoever sent negative energy to me and my whole collectives, I return the negative energy to go back to sender right now, immediately. In the name of the Divine Most High, Amen. Let me see your high energy, intense, magnetic reading. Let me see your first card. We have here their leader. You could be a teacher by profession. This is a German language astro cards, which stands for a teacher. Or you are dealing with a teacher. Or somebody here is studying and learning from you. Somebody here could also be, investigating about you. Somebody have perceived that you are like a teacher, a professor, or you are in this profession of a teacher or professor. Somebody here gathering some information about you. Somebody here as well as admiring your knowledge and wisdom. This could be a Gemini, not necessary, could also be any other sign. Or you have a Gemini in your birth chart for some of you. Could also that this person having an authority, or you are the one who has an authority, and you are investigating a certain person. This could also be the person who misjudged you in the past, or somebody is studying you because there are people who misjudged you in the past. Take what resonates because everyone is different. Let me see, your challenge here is the narcissist. The narcissist. You could be dealing or attracting a person who is a narcissist. Could also be a bipolar, a person who is broken. Could also be a psychopath, a person who has a mental disorder. Others of you guys, I feel like because of the rumors, because of the gossip, somebody is spreading lies and rumors about you that you are a narcissist. And this person is studying on you. They are learning and gathering some information about you. This could also be a person who has an authority. And the result is not. You are not a narcissist. This is only a person who twists the story that you are a narcissist. You know why? Because you are dealing or attracting a person who is a narcissist. Could also that these are the people around you. For instance, your neighbors. in your workplace, in your family, in your friend circle. Could also be your ex, or in the community or in the society where you belong. And this person twists the story that you are the narcissist one. They wants to wash their hands. They wants you to be the villain of their story. Because a narcissist will not accept the consequences of their action. And instead, they will twist the story. This is the nature of a narcissist. They will never ever accept the consequences of their action. I told you. And this is your challenge because somebody who wants to talk with you. Be very careful, especially if you are going to communicate with this person, because we are in Mercury retrograde. There could be a misunderstanding here. There could be also a bad words will occur in this communication. Be very strategic. Could also that this person is having an authority. Could also be a professor, a teacher, or you are in this profession, and somebody here perceive that you are not the way who say they are, because this person twists the story to somebody else, to a person as an authority, that you are a narcissist. That's why this person wants to talk with you. Somebody here could also be engaged to a mobbing or bullying. Could also be in your workplace. Somebody is spreading lies and rumors about you, or you are working in a toxic workplace, and somebody is investigating about it. Now the result is that you are not the one who say, all these nasty words, because a person who is a narcissist, they will not accept the consequences of their action. They play victims. You are not a victim. You are no longer in this energy of communicating with people, engaging with the toxicity of people, because you are tired and sick with their BS. In fact, you are bored. I told you, and this is your challenge, because a narcissist wants to talk with you. Be very careful. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Somebody here wants to twist the story that you are the one who is a narcissist. And that's why be very careful with your action, with your words, especially if you are going to communicate with this person, because they will not accept the consequences of their action. And this is your challenge. Or you are attracting a narcissist who is a teacher, or they perceive you that you are a teacher and you are working with people who are narcissists, and that's why somebody is studying on you. They are investigating about you. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius is involved in this situation. Let me see. Your spiritual lesson here is the studentin. I told you, somebody here is learning and or studying from you. You could be a student, or you are dealing with a student, or this is your student. You could also be a professor, a teacher, and your student is learning and studying from you. Or there are lots of people who are learning from you because of your wisdom and knowledge. They perceive that your knowledge is just like a professor or a teacher. I told you. And this person wants to twist the story that you are a narcissist. According to the investigation, oh, they are nervous. They are nervous. Oh my gosh. Sorry, whoever you are. They are nervous. I'm on the way to speak Deutsch, guys. I'm sorry, I am not speaking English language of the country where I reside at present, but Deutsch. I am only using English language when I am reading with tarot card. You look, and somebody is studying on you, or this could also be your student who wants to prove this person that you are not a narcissist. Somebody is learning their lesson from you. Could also be that this is a narcissist who learned a lesson from you and they are studying now. I told you. A rest of you guys, you are no longer entertaining them anymore. As Sagittarius, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius is involved in this situation. Not necessary, could also be any other sign. Or this person is learning and studying on you because they wants to talk, to communicate with you. Could also that this person is a narcissist. Be very careful because this is your challenge. Somebody here wants to twist the story. Be careful with your words and your actions. Others of you guys, they couldn't manipulate you anymore because you have seen the truth of who they are. You knew who you are. And that's why you are not scared to tell the truth. Because you have seen the truth of this person or group of people, of what they have done on you. I don't know what they have done on you. Everyone is different. Let me see. The other past situation is the Magier. This is a magician. A Gemini, a Virgo is involved here. An Aquarius or a Sagittarius. Not necessary, could also be any other sign. Somebody here is manifesting you in their lives. Could also that this person wants to communicate with you. Virgo, Gemini, Aquarius, Sagittarius is involved here. Could also be any other sign. A professor, a student, or a person who is narcissist. I told you. This could also be a person who has an authority who is investigating about your life. And the investigation is that your name was cleared. These are only the people who are jealous and envy on you. That's why they tried to throw you under the bus by all means. You could be dealing or attracting a person as well who is a wise person, an eligible person. Or they perceive you that you are a wise person, an eligible person. Could also be a matured father figure. Could also be that this person is a narcissist and they're studying on you. Take what resonates because everyone is different. Others of you guys, you're no longer talking to them because this is the past situation. Now they are studying and strategizing on how to approach you. Be very careful because somebody here is a narcissist and he wants to twist the story. They're gathering some information about you. They are finding a stain to use against you. I told you. Virgo, Gemini, Aquarius, Sagittarius is involved here. Not necessary, could also be any other sign. A professor, a teacher, a student, a narcissist, a matured father figure, or a person who has an authority. You could also be a person who has an authority. Let me see. Your current situation is there's saboteur. This is a sabotage. Somebody is sabotaging you, or they want you to have a self-sabotage with your life. Because this person is spreading lies and rumors about you, the narcissist. They are spreading lies and rumors about you that you did self-sabotage because you are no longer communicating with them anymore. I'm going to ask you, whoever you are, no one wants to talk a narcissist. No one wants to invest our energy to a narcissist. Whoever you are, go and hell yourself. I told you. You look. This person is spreading lies and rumors about you that you are doing a self-sabotage. They are the victims. Because this is a narcissist. A narcissist will always play victims. And they will never ever accept the consequences of their action. I told you. Yeah, look. You are not doing a self-sabotage. You are in a solitary mode because you are tired and sick with a manipulative behavior. Because a narcissist will always twist the story. And you have no chance. The best way is to cut off the ties of a narcissist. Because this is energy draining vampires. And they are spreading lies and rumors to the other people that you are doing a self-sabotage. I told you. When in fact you are studying, you are learning your lesson. I told you. And a narcissist couldn't accept this, that they are defeated. I told you. And that's why this is your challenge, because they want to talk with you and they want to twist the story. They want to find, a words which is, to use against you. Be very careful with your actions. Could also be a couple who is planning to sabotage you. Be very careful, especially from the past people. A person who is a narcissist is involved here, as I have told you, a matured father figure, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, and Virgo is involved in the situation, and a Sagittarius. Could also be a couple who is planning to sabotage you. This couple could be narcissist, toxic, distorted, manipulative. Could also that this is in your family, in your workplace, in your surroundings, the people with whom you have an access in your life. And this is the current situation. Be very careful because they want to twist the story. Whoever you are so miserable. I told you. If I were you, go and heal yourself. They are studying, they are planning on how to sabotage you. I told you. Because these are the narcissists and they are collaborating with the other group. Could also be a couple is involved in the situation. Well, good luck whoever you are. Go and heal yourself. You are so miserable. You're just writing your own misery. I told you. We are tired of all your manipulative behavior. Let me see. The future here is, I told you, this Soktigi, a drug addict. A drug addict, narcissist, distorted, manipulative, or somebody is prolonged in an addiction, drug addiction, alcohol addiction, sex obsession. This person is obsessed on you, obsessed on how to destroy you. I told you. You could be dealing or attracting a person who is broken, distorted, psychopath, having a mental disorder, or they are freaking out because no matter how they tried to sabotage you, it didn't work. For some of these people, guys, they engage you to a black magician, abracadabra. They are paying dark witch to sabotage you. And he wants to twist the story that you are the one who did a self-sabotage because they are narcissists. But somebody is investigating on you and this person is in your side because this person found out that you are not a narcissist. This person is a narcissist and they're still trying to play victims. But the investigation come out that this person was the one who are spreading lies and rumors about you. And that's why they are under investigation. Somebody here is studying this person or a couple. I told you. Could be a person who's an authority is involved. Because they want to twist the story that you are the one who is narcissist, who is like this, who is like that. But you are divinely protected here. Somebody is protecting you. Could also be a person as an authority who have seen the truth of who you are. I told you, you could be an earth angel. Of course, not all of you. And that's why you meet this person in your life because you are the one to awaken them. Unfortunately, the narcissist will refuse to awaken. And you cannot fix everyone. Both of you is going to learn a lesson in this situationship. Be very careful because this is a sabotage. Yeah, look. For some of these people, guys, they don't care because their lives are falling apart. This is also, I mean, in German language, this is selber schuld. They are the one who are creating their own misery, selber schuld. The more they did abracadabra, cast spells, black magic on you, love spells, the more they are obsessed on you because everything backfires, especially if you are innocent. I told you. These are the people who pretend that they are, I mean, they are the best, they are not doing any bad, and I mean, they are not doing scam. I told you. And they want to twist the story that you are the one who did this. You did self-sabotage. You are no longer talking to them. Be very careful. You look. Somebody here wants to argue with you. I told you. This is a sabotage because they want you to, I mean, to look like crazy that you are going to, I mean, they want to push you to the limits that you are going to react. And that they will twist the story and that they will make a video that you are the one who is a narcissist. These are the couple, but the investigation have a record about this person that the other one who is having a mental disorder, a narcissist or distorted. Be very careful because this is the future. Because they are losing the power to control you. They thought that they have you already in their hands. And it didn't work because you are an archangel. I couldn't talk. Oh my gosh. Let me see. Your attitude here is the Pegasus. Just a minute. I'm back. The Pegasus. You could be an archangel or a chosen one. I told you, and you are divinely protected here, and you have a mission to this world. One of your mission is to encounter this person or group of people. A narcissist, a person who is distorted, psychopath. As an empath, as an archangel, you are going to meet this kind of people. Because you are the one to awaken, you are the one who is going to awaken them. You have a mission to this world. You are the mirror of this person or group of people. And mirror never lies. I told you. For some of you guys, they couldn't imagine, they couldn't believe that your life is balanced. That you found balance in your life after all what they have done on you. The sabotage, the attacks. I told you, because you are divinely protected. Yeah, look, this is the energy of an archangel. And you are also divinely protected with your divine ancestors. And that's why no matter how they tried to attack you, it backfires on them and it didn't work. Now they look like crazy, they look like stupid. And they are blaming you of all the things they have done on you. They still never accept the consequences of their action. I couldn't talk again. They are nervous. You look, the universe advises you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, to maintain the balance of your life. Because somebody here wants to attack you. This is a sabotage. You look, this person is a psychopath, a narcissist, a person is very toxic. And they're still doing this to you over and over again because they don't care with whom they are going to hurt. Hurt people, hurt people. For some of these people, guys, they are not satisfied with their karma. They knew exactly that you are innocent. But because of jealousy and envy, I told you, whoever you are, if I were you, go and hell yourself. Against an archangel, hello. Wake up, people, whoever you are. Others of you guys, it could also be that they're going to pretend that they want to harmonize the relationship between you and them. But they are planning to sabotage you. Be very careful. Because they want to twist the story. Even though the high authority knew exactly who they are. Because they are under investigation now. The investigation is going on to this person or group of people who are coming against you. But they're still denying the consequences of their action because they are narcissists. I told you. You managed to alchemize the painful situation in the past. You have gained more wisdom and knowledge. You are an alchemy. And they said, how dare you, Scorpio? How dare you that you heal the pain that decodes on you? How dare you, Scorpio? Because you are a change. You're a transformation. You are the creation and the destruction, the transformation and rebirth. You are the change. You can live in both worlds, between the light and in the darkness, because you are built for a battle. And that's why this person or group of people couldn't heal their trauma. Instead, they are focusing the lives of other people, and they are happy when they hurt other people because they are hurt. These are the people who is, I want to tell you, they need therapists because they are sick. They are sick in brain. Their soul is sick. I told you, whoever you are, go and heal yourself. Against an archangel, no way. Let me see. The outside influences, the wisely pro. You could be a wise woman, or you are dealing with a matured mother figure. Could also that this person, perceive you that you are wise, and that this person couldn't believe and couldn't imagine how you heal the painful situation that caused with this person or group of people. You could also be a wise woman. You could also be this matured mother figure. Or this matured mother figure was the one who did this to you. And he wants to unbalance you out of jealousy and envy. I told you. He doesn't want you to have balance in your life. Because these are the people who are focusing the lives of other people. While you are focusing on yourself, they are focusing on how to destroy you. I told you. Because you are dealing with a person who is sick in brain, they need therapist, a narcissist. Oh my gosh. What the hell, the people around you with whom you are dealing with. Of course, and as an earth angel, this is normal. I told you. And you are attracting a person who is broken, who is low vibrational spirits. I told you. And somebody who is admiring you, they perceive that you are a wise woman, a wise person, or they perceive you that you are the divine counterpart. You could be dealing with a person who is a matured father figure. For some of you guys, you are still young, but your mind, your knowledge is, like a knowledge of a person who is an older person who undergone lots of, battles in their lives. You look, and somebody is studying and learning from you, or they have learned their lesson. But for some of these people, they will not accept the consequences of their action. I told you. There could be a significant meaning for you with a matured mother figure. And this person is admiring you because of your wisdom and knowledge. Or they don't like it that you are knowledgeable. That's why they tried to unbalance your life. For whatever reason, because of jealousy and envy. Could be a water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. A Sagittarius, a Leo is involved here. Sagittarius, double confirmation, a couple. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Virgo is involved here as well. A professor, a teacher, a person as an authority, a student. You could also be a student. Or they are learning and studying from you because somebody here wants to talk with you and they wants to twist the story. Whoever you are, go and heal yourself. Let me see. Your hopes and fear is this, the healerin, the healer. Cancer is involved here, a matured mother figure. You could also be a matured mother figure. You could be a healer. Or you are dealing with a person who is the same with you, a healer. A tarot card reader. I told you. It could also be that you are the treat. You threatened them. And that's why they couldn't imagine. They couldn't believe. How did you know what you know, Scorpio? Why you have balance in your life? That's why somebody here wants to outbalance you because they don't like it that you have balance in your life. Focusing the lives of other people instead of focusing themselves. You already healed the old trauma, the pain which was caused with this person or group of people. I told you, and they couldn't stand it, that you have balance and you heal the painful situation in the past because you are an alchemy. And that's why they want to sabotage you. They want to twist the story. Good luck, whoever you are. I don't think so that you are going to, whoever you are, you have no chance against an earth angel. If I were you, go and heal yourself. A narcissist, a person who is a psychopath, a person who is distorted, drug addict. Could also that somebody is losing money, losing their homes because always partying, chasing thrills, overindulgence. Or somebody here is finding, a story, your past story because they want to use it against you. Because these are the narcissists. They want to twist the story that you are the one who is doing this, who is doing that. Good luck, whoever you are. Somebody here needs healing, but they refuse to heal the wounds, the trauma they have experienced. It could also be this is a new person and they viewed you that you are a healer. You are a wise person. It doesn't matter if you're a woman or man. Somebody here perceived that you are the divine counterpart. Somebody here as well wants to heal the old wounds between you and them, but be very careful from the past people, because this person wants to sabotage you. A narcissist, a drug addict, distorted, etc., who is obsessed of destroying you. I told you. This could also be a new person who perceive you that you are a healer. Could also be that this person is drug addict, narcissist, and they perceive that you can heal them. Be very careful, especially nowadays. Yeah, look, because somebody who wants to distract your peace. You are in this energy of balance. An archangel energy. A Cancer is involved here. A matured mother figure. The outcome here is the Seherin. Somebody is doing abracadabra, or they are consulting you to a tarot card reader, a practitioner. And it was proven that you are a healer. You could be a healer. An empath for some of you. Or somebody is still doing this abracadabra because out of jealousy and envy. They don't care because their lives are falling apart. You look, I couldn't talk again because somebody tried to block my throat chakra. And yesterday, somebody tried to block my solar plexus chakra. And I have a message from my spirit guides. This is in the sign of my smoke detector. And after that, it peeps. And then I feel like there is something happen in my, in my solar plexus chakra. Oh my gosh, whoever you are, I command the negative energy you sent to me to go back to you. Go and heal yourself. You look. Somebody here wants to know or investigating about your life. They're consulting a practitioner or a tarot card reader. They wants to know if you are really a healer. And it was found out that you are a healer. You are an archangel, of course. Oh my gosh. Could be a water sign. Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Could also be any other sign. Clarify me, Father. Why the sabotage in this reading, please? I want to know the sabotage because this is interesting. Good luck, whoever you are. It is clarified as alliance. Wow. Well, you can do because you are divinely guided here with your divine ancestors. You have an alliance. You cannot see them, but you can feel them. And this sabotage, again, it is again a failure, and they will twist again the story that you are the one. Because they always feel like you victimize them, the narcissist. Good luck, whoever you are. You can go, you can do it. This is an alliance. You have an alliance from the spiritual world, spiritual kingdom. This is your divine ancestors, your divine angels, and the divine Most High. Could also be that they are going to pretend that they are your allies. They wants to talk with you. Be very careful because they wants to twist the story. They wants to argue with you because they are distorted narcissists. That's all they can do, sabotage, because they couldn't accept that you are at peace. You heal the old wounds, the pain they caused on you. I told you, and they doesn't know how to heal the wounds, which they are the one who caused it because of their jealousy and envy, because of the abracadabra. Good luck, whoever you are. Go and try. You attack again an archangel. I don't think so that you will succeed. If I were you, go and heal yourself. You are so sick. You look narcissist. A person is distorted. Drug addict. Psychopath. That's all you can do, whoever you are. Clarify me, Father. Why? Why the Seherin here? The High Priestess is clarified as SMRT. Wow. They are sending you death magic. Good luck, whoever you are. Against an archangel, no chance. This person could be a Scorpio or a water sign. Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, who is sending this death magic on you because they doesn't want you to have a clear vision. I told you. For some of these people, guys, they engage you to a practitioner, and the practitioner found out that you are really who say who you are, that you are a healer. Not only a healer, you are an archangel. You look, they are still sending this death magic on you. Good luck. I command the negative energy to return back to you, whoever you are, in the name of the Divine Most High. They don't like it that you are no longer talking to them. Who will talk with this person who is narcissist and psychopath? No one wants to talk to them. You are prioritizing your inner peace and the tranquility of your surroundings. As an archangel, you choose to be in a solitary mode than to be with this person or group of people. These are the draining vampires. Can you imagine? Somebody who wants you to end up your, maybe you are a tarot card reader. Somebody wants to put an endings with your vision. Is this related to your crown chakra? Good luck, whoever you are. That's why yesterday, I have a sign that somebody is attacking my solar plexus chakra. A Scorpio, Cancer, Pisces is involved, and not necessary. Could also be a person who is, doing this death magic on you. Abracadabra. Good luck. Oh my gosh. We are tired of this person or group of people. Why the narcissist in this reading? Please tell me more. It is clarified as, oh, you are laughing at them. You look, they want you to be generous to them, but you are just laughing. You look, and that's why the narcissist pest, because you are no longer generous to them. And that's all they can do. They want to sabotage you. No one wants to reconnect with a narcissist. These are the energy draining vampires, plus a drug addict, psychopath. No way. Whoever you are, against an archangel, if I were you, go to the therapist and heal yourself. You look, you're just smiling and laughing to them because they couldn't twist the story anymore. The investigation come out that you are not the one who is doing this. In fact, these are the people who is narcissist, drug addict, psycho. Oh my gosh. Clarify me, Father. Why the teacher in this reading? Please tell me more. That is clarified as you have a bright future. You look, this teacher is investigating and studying on you. That's why he wants to talk with you. Could also be a person as an authority. You look, they perceive that you have lots of wisdom and knowledge and that you have a bright future. This person wants to talk with you. Could be a Gemini. Could also be any other sign. Could also be a person as an authority. Why the Magician in this reading, please? It is clarified as, oh, the Magician wants to give you an assurance. He wants to talk with you. Be very careful because a Magician could also be a trickery. You are a powerful person. Everything is in front of you. You are a great manifester, and that's why this person, a group of people, are jealous on you. They are using their dark magic, but it didn't work because against an archangel, no chance. Well, if I were you, go and heal yourself because my collective is protected with the divine ancestors. You look, you can do and try to sabotage my collectives. You can try. Against an archangel, against a healer, no chance. If I were you, go and heal yourself. This is over, people. You look, this is the end. That ends your readings for today, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. I hope you enjoy your reading. And if this resonates to you guys, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you for joining me once again. Until the next time, I love you all. Bye.